In this video, I show how to blur background in Photopea. Right-click on Background and select Duplicate Layer. On a new layer, click on the Select menu and click on Magic Cut. This is the normal process of removing the background with Magic Cut. On the main background, go to the Filter menu. Select Blurring Gaussian Blur. Here we set the level of blur that we want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to find other useful videos on this channel.